Hi everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a package. This one is from Studio Katia. Now I have never ordered from them before. I did know about them and I've seen their stuff. They've got adorable stamps, really great dies, some amazing embellishments. You know how I'm all on the embellishment train right now. So I did order a few things and I'll be doing a collaboration with them and Heavy Doodle later on. So some of this stuff you will see, but in a future video, of course. But let's go ahead and take a look at the different things that I got. All right, I got some fun stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, we'll start with, well, just whatever I pull out. All right, so I did get this. I know we are not in Halloween, but this one is the Spooky Pumpkins Trimmings. It's 2 stamps, and I just think it's so cute. I love Halloween stamps and making cards. I'm not great at sending them out, but I absolutely love making them. And I just thought this was so cute. So I did get this one, and I'm excited about it. So you'll see that I tried to do a series. I did a pretty good job, actually, a Halloween series. And so I'll get started on that one probably August, September timeframe, start making some Halloween cards. But yeah, so got that one. And then I also, I don't know what it is about these borders. I think these are fantastic. This one is the Citrus Trimmings, and I love it. So you could do these as limes or lemons, or, well, this one is be oranges, but and some limes or whatever. But I think that one is gorgeous. It says, "Have a sweet day." We've got "Happy birthday to my main squeeze. I'm grateful for your friendship. You're the zest, and thanks a bunch." So love that one. I think that would be beautiful with watercolor, or, well, pretty much every medium, but isn't that beautiful? Then I had to get this one. Now this one is the Pause for Kindness bundle, and it came with dies, and then it's just so cute. So you've got this little boy, he's got a little cat in his arms, and he has a pup next to him on a leash. And this one, there's the little girl sitting, she's got like a little pup in her arms, and she's got the cat next to her too. There's a dog bowl, a cat bowl, we've got some stars and hearts, and then this one says best friends, kindness, hugs, and then XOXO you. And so you can mix and match with all these. So we've got sending, so it'd be sending kindness your way, sending hugs your way. In our hearts, light up the world. So you light up the world. What does this one say? You could put like you are like the stars. You don't always see them, but you know they're there. Wait, friends, kindness, best friends. Be silly, be yourself, be kind. Will always be remembered. So that could be like you will always be remembered. Kindness will always be remembered. And then we've got the word with. So you could just, mix and match those sentiments along, but I just thought this was darling, so I had to get that one. And now this die, I'm super excited about this. This is the slider tag die. So how this is going to work is you'll have your tag, but it's going to have a little slider mechanism. So you'll pull the slider out, and this will be attached to it, and so it'll give this little opening, and then you can have your sentiment or whatever you want in there. So with this die, you've got thanks for you, and then this one says enjoy. We've got little tag reinforcers. You've got this beautiful banner here. And this is like a stitched or like pierced border. Then you've got the tag. We've got like a little cut there, and then you've got 4 little tags as well. So I think this is awesome. Very excited to use that. And then we also have this one. This is the dotted shaker tags, which I'm into tags. You know I love tags, and tags are great because you can either attach them to a bag or a gift or whatnot, or you could attach them to a card front and turn it into a card. So you make the tag and make it into a card later if you wanted to. So it's got a couple different borders, and you've got your shaker element there. So I love that idea. With that, like I said, I had to get a bunch of embellishments. Isn't this cute? Now, this is one of the stamps they have in the store as well. This is a pomegranate, which I should have got that one because that one is so cool. But let's take a look at what it came with. It came with one of the little bead trays, which is fun. I bought the Sapphire September crystals. So these come in various sizes, and they're blue crystals. I think this one was on sale because it might be, they may not have it much longer. Same thing with this one. It was the Sour Apple August crystals. So these are the same. Differences, I think these one have some clear ones in there, and then we just have some plain green crystals in there, but all different sizes. And then this one, Rainbow Hearts, which love rainbow hearts. And then this one, Bitty Paws. Look at that little polymer clay paws. Isn't that adorable? Would go so well with that stamp set that I got. So yeah, I love that. I've got these embellishments. We can definitely make a shaker tag or a slider tag. I think that's fun. And then I've got all these stamp sets to go with it. So I'll have everything linked down below if any of this is something that you might be interested in, so that way you can get your hands on it. But yeah, I thought this was fun. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already done so, and go ahead and hit that notification button. That way it lets you know when I have a new video out. If there's something in here in particular that you'd like to see me use first, I will take that into consideration. Leave that in the comment section down below. And then I just want to say thanks for stopping by, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye everybody.